You've got Ollama running on your laptop. Now let's build something with it. In the next 5 minutes, you'll write a fully working AI chatbot in Python with conversation memory, a custom personality, and 0 cloud dependencies. Let's go. Here's the plan. We'll build a terminal chatbot that talks to Ollama's local API. It keeps a full conversation history, so the AI remembers what you said earlier. And we'll give it a custom system prompt so it has a specific personality and expertise. The entire thing is under 40 lines of Python, no frameworks, no API keys, no external services. We'll use the official Ollama Python library. Install it with pip install Ollama. This gives us a clean Python interface instead of raw HTTP requests. The key function is Ollama. Chat, you pass it a model name and a list of messages, and it returns the AI's response. Each message has a role, system, user, or assistant, just like the OpenAI format. If you've used the OpenAI SDK before, this will feel very familiar. Here's the core code. We start with an empty messages list. In a while loop, we read user input from the terminal. We append it to the messages list with role user. Then we call Ollama, chat with our model name and the full message history. The AI's response comes back as a message object. We print it and append it to the history with role assistant. That's it. The conversation history grows with each exchange, so the model always sees the full context of your chat. Hit Ctrl+C to exit. To give your chatbot a personality, add a system message at the start of the conversation. Before the loop, insert a message with role system and your instructions. For example, you are a senior Python developer who gives concise, practical answers with code examples. Now every response follows that persona. You can make it a coding tutor, a creative writing assistant, a Socratic teacher, whatever you want. The system prompt is the single most powerful lever you have. One more upgrade, streaming. By default, Ollama, chat waits for the full response before returning. But if you set stream equals true, you get tokens as they're generated, just like ChatGPT's typing effect. Loop over the response chunks, print each token without a new line, and flush the output. The chatbot now feels responsive and alive instead of making you stare at a blank screen for 5 seconds. Here's the final version under 40 lines. System prompt at the top, conversation history in a list, streaming output in the main loop, and a clean exit on Ctrl+C to run it. Save it as chatbot. Make sure Ollama is running with a model pulled, and type Python chatbot. You now have a private, local AI chatbot that runs entirely on your hardware. No API bills, no data leaving your machine, and you can customize it however you want. That's a local AI chatbot in 5 minutes. If you missed the Ollama setup, check our previous tutorial linked above. Subscribe for more practical AI builds, and we'll see you in the next one.